got it a hole in there. It's tapped 4mm with a set screw, so it can't come off. It's just an old drill motor. You can get these on eBay and stuff everywhere. So here's where we're at. I got my piston pulley done here. 8mm. It's like super tight. There we go. Got it on. And it's sitting flat on the magnet. Yeah. Oh, perfect. More than enough meat there. Oh. Nice. Alright, there's my pulley. Let's see if I cleared all the screws. I have about an 1/8. Can't focus. Nice, it does. Yeah, all the way around. It's clearing perfect. Alright, this is like I'm in business here. Alright, so I should be able to go by this one, make a mount in here, and I'm going to have to put a tensioner in there anyways. That's what I was planning. Oh yeah, let's see if the case clears. Nice, not touching. Beautiful. Alright. So, what I'm going to do with this is just cut the bottom out right where this is, up, this one, basically, and square crust. That way the belt should be about, yeah, 3/16. Beautiful. Alright. So, this is the goal. You can see where I'm going. I want to make sure it clears just that stud. I mean, I could just put it right in dead middle even. But I'm going to probably get a smaller belt. I'm going to do a tensioner on the mount I make here. But yeah, it's going to come off this bolt. It's going to just basically sit there. I think I'm going to spring tension it or something off the 2 points. Not sure yet. I'm going to 3D print some stuff to hold this and see which one looks the best before I go milling out aluminum. But anyways, this will give you a basic idea. This is pretty freaking cool. But yeah, I mean, I got all this area basically underneath the motor. Mount this thing so it's protected and stuff. And then the cover will be on it. You know, so I'll have about that much coming out. I'll probably make a nice little guard that goes over it too, so you don't get snagged on it. I think this is going to be badass. So, we'll see how it goes. But all in all, this is how it's turning out. I've been dying to see if I could do some kind of light kit thing. So, anyways, this is just a vacuum cleaner. They had a whole bunch of smaller ones and stuff. I used this for some robotics project or something at one point. But it gave me a good idea where to start, you know? So, if you get where I'm going with this is going to be cool. So anyways, the thing about this is a drill motor. You can buy these on eBay and stuff. I think I got the Shield somewhere. This is an old one. Had this for a robotic project too. But they all come with that little gear, so I just made a pulley that fits it and stuff. I'm going to probably make a bracket of some kind with like a yoke. Probably springs to hold it. You know, a little bit of play in there and stuff. And we'll see how it goes. This right here, this is the old one. I think it's like a it's 24 volt, something like that. So at 8,000 RPM. So what I did is I put this actually in the metal lathe, and I spun it, I think 10 grand, which is close. This goes up a little higher. And it was putting out, I think, 49 volts, 50 volts, something like that. So, even if this, and it was geared off this too, mind you. So, I just put a bolt through it, put it on, held it, and put a voltmeter on it. I know. But, it worked. I ran the lights kit that comes on an e-bike up to 72 volt one. And even at, what was it, 1,000 RPM, it was still lighting the whole thing up perfectly. So I'm going to put like a big smoother cap in line and stuff for the RPM changes and stuff. We'll see how it goes, but I'm going to try and do a complete battery-free light system on the next build. So this is going to be cool. I'm going to 3D print up my brackets next, see how it is. Maybe I'll cast them out of aluminum. I don't know yet. And I'll get a new one of these. And we'll just do it all out. I'm dying to see if I can run some lights, LEDs, and all that good stuff. The next build's going to be cool. Alright, peace.